In this video, I will show you how to change domain name on Wix. In order to do that, what you can do is you can scroll down right here until you reach your settings. And then after that, you should be able to see this. So from in there, just click on this business info. And then you should be able to see in here your logo, your name, your location, email, and a lot more. If you want to change your site, you can head back to your settings and make sure that the name of your site aligns with your new domain name. So in order to do that, click on this domain right here. And in order to change it, just go connect a new domain or buy a new one. So since the name of our store is Tiara Store, let's head over and put in here a Tiara Store. Can click on let's go, and then it will search for available domains. So as you can see, tiarastore.com is taken and not available, so you can choose any more domain that you have right here. So let's choose in here tiarastore.org. Click on this get it option, and then once you have done that, it will show you in here this premium plan wherein you can buy their plan as well as their domain. I'll just buy the domain and click on continue, and then after that it will show you the domain purchase option right here. It can be 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, and you can see in here total whenever you change up some things. Click on continue in order to successfully change it.